Okay, so I'm so excited. My package came today. It's from Rihanna. It's from Savage Fenty. So let's open it up and see what's in there. It's for Valentine's Day. Okay, so we're going to get right into this package. Yay. I really want to just like rip this open. Like I'm trying not to. Like I'm really excited because I've been waiting on this. And I've been wanting to get something from Savage Fenty. Shout out to my husband for giving me half on it. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
Savage Fenty is kind of expensive for lingerie because you can for real go to the lingerie store or go to like other stores and get stuff for barely nothing. But yeah, with Savage Fenty, you definitely have to pay for it. I'm trying to get in this box, y'all. Rihanna got this thing sealed up. So I'm gonna wear this for Valentine's. Oh man, I didn't want to tear my box. I'm gonna wear this for Valentine's Day. Probably gonna keep it in the box if I don't destroy the box like I'm doing. Yeah, so the box is pink, and it's a pretty lilac purple in the inside. Is that what color that is? I don't know. I'm also trying to like not show you guys my address. There we go. I think I got this thing open. Ta-da! Ooh, Savage Fenty. Okay, so this is how it looks when you open the box. Oh, how pretty. And it has a little sticker here. That's cute. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this was just a free gift, a collectible kickstand ring grip of Rihanna. That's nice and everything, but I don't think I want that on the back of my phone with Rihanna naked. I may actually end up giving this away on my channel. I don't know yet, but whatever. We'll see what happens. And then it also comes with a Lock It Down Your Ultra VIP box. So that's what this is. I'm a VIP member. I went ahead and joined that. And this is the lingerie that I got here for Valentine's Day. But of course not in those little tiny sizes, in big girl sizes because I'm a big girl. Strew Leg Day. What is this? Goji Berry. That's what color I ordered. Oh, wait. So this is what? Oh, these are the leggings. Okay. That's just, but look at the package though. That's cute, right? That's just like cut out holes. It's cute. And that's the leggings here on the picture. Okay. Pack all this up in there. Okay. What is you saying? And so that's the bottom part. And it looks like it's one of those like high waist ones, which is good because that means it's going to hide my stomach. Okay. Which he don't care anyways because he loves me. And you can see that they like have all of it, you know, packaged really nice. The zipper still has the paper on it. Okay. And this part has like sheer and it also has the shiny part. He left out of here. He must not want to see this early. He waiting to see it on Valentine's Day. Okay, so this is the booby part. Pack all this up in there. It's the bra. And it looks like this with the zippers on it. Ooh, how fun. Okay. And yeah, this looks like it's a Goji Berry bralette, Triangle bralette Goji Berry by Rihanna, Savage Fenty. And this is like the garter belt part. Yeah. I like that they have big girl size. Okay, so that's the garter belt that's right there. And this all came from Savage Fenty, from Rihanna. I absolutely love it. I am a VIP member now, which is cool. You always have the choice of like opting out of the VIP so they don't continue to take money. But I'm going to wait. I was going to opt out. But I'm going to wait because I don't know how I'm going to like this. If I really like it, I might as well just wait. I mean, you're only paying like $40 a month, you know. I really like everything. I like the package. I like everything. The only thing I don't really care for is this free gift. I kind of feel like, I don't know, if you're a female, you know, you may not want a naked female on the back of your phone unless you like females, but I don't. So yeah, I don't know about that. I might end up giving this away or something. I don't know who would want it. Maybe a teenager. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I don't know about that part yet. But for now, I'm just gonna put it back in here, and I'm gonna seal all this up. So on Valentine's Day, your girl already know what she gonna put on and how she gonna be looking for her husband. This has been an unboxing of my Savage Fenty. Why did I say it like that? My Savage. I can't even get it out. My Savage Fenty Lingerie by Rihanna. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to put a link down below in the description box. And thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all those great things. And until next time, bye. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let me not show my address. My package came today. Oh, I'm still showing the address.